All right, guys, we got another special one. 1988 Monte Carlo SS. She's sitting on Kobe's 4+20. Paint is in excellent shape. The 88 model is second in rarity as far as production numbers next to the 1983 model. The G-Body Monte Carlo SS was very popular and sold very well due to NASCAR. What wins on Sunday sells on Monday. She is absolutely beautiful. You know, I love G-bodies, guys. Driver's side frame and floor pans, excellent condition. Passenger side, if you're in search of a G-body, this the one, guys. Interior is absolutely beautiful, guys. She has power windows, power locks, aftermarket Forgiato steering wheel. Dash is in good shape. Lower dash. Bucket seats, console. Package tray is nice. That's the only spot I found in the interior, guys. Headliner good. Deck lid is flawless. She still has the factory RPO code sticker. I try to get in there and pause it so y'all guys can check it out. She has the stock high output 305, backed by a 4-speed automatic, power brakes, AC, power steering, all the goodies. Cruise control. Let's start her up. And she does have the Viper alarm system. And the heated AC does work, but it could use a charge. But she is getting cold.